Hey guys, in this unboxing, we'll show you every detail of the Fighter Mini Pro. We've carefully packaged the product to make sure it arrives safely. First, remove the protective cover, then secure the handlebar using the provided screws to keep it firmly in place. Next, tighten the latch on the stem to make sure the frame stays stable and won't fold. We've also included accessories like gloves, a charger, and a toolkit. The charging port is conveniently located on the deck. It's quick and easy to set up. We pay close attention to quality and carry out thorough inspections to make sure everything meets our standards. If you have any questions during installation, feel free to contact us anytime.